today we're going to be working on E and F in the print handwriting workbook for teens. You can get it at Amazon.com. In the past, we've worked on A, which is a line down. Oops, sorry guys. A line down, another line down, and a line across. And then B is a line down and two humps. C is just an oval with an opening. D is a line down and a bump. Today we're going to work on E, which has 3 lines to the side and 1 line down, and F, which has 2 lines across and 1 line over. So let's find our page. Okay. As you know, I like to write on a separate page so that you can so that I can rewrite in this book, or I can make copies and share with friends, or I can share with my grandson. All right, ready? E is 1 line over, 1 line down, so you have 3 lines going to the right and 1 line going down. Let's try that again. E, 1 line down, 1 line over, 1 line over, 1 line over. E is the beginning of the word Eddie, Edwin. E, oops, sorry. Remember what I said about mistakes? You just keep going. You don't mark it out. Don't erase it. Don't waste your time. Don't be upset. Just keep going. Because not every letter is perfect. Even when I'm writing, I might be distracted and pay attention to something else. So just keep going. 1 line down, 3 lines over. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines all together. You'll get the hang of it, and you will decide. You almost make a box and put a line in. Our next line is the small e, which is right here. We make that C. We make a C all the way around. And I do it like that, or you can do it with this a little lower and just go straight across. This book has it like this, with a C and like that. You will find your own style for how you want your E to look. And like I say, sometimes everyone's going to look different. E is for elephant or egg. Or ego. Like, don't let go of my ego. Or let go of my ego. E. I find it easier just to make 1 line and go all the way around. Like I say, don't erase, because you're wasting time, and that makes you frustrated, I think, to go back and have to do the same thing over. So mistakes are made, so we just keep going. That's our E. Now we're going to work on F. F is the first letter in the name Fred, or the car Ford. Henry Ford made a car. And so we go over, down, over, over, down, over. Or if you prefer, down, over, over. Down, over, over. It's also the beginning of the fjords. It's a place. I'm more likely to have a ford, however. Okay, we have an F, which is a small f, and it would be like a frog. We don't go all the way up to the top. A frog would start with F. Make a little shepherd's crook and come down. Shepherd's crook, down, line across. That's an F. Like a frog. Or frozen. Well, frozen, if you were talking about the movie, would be the large F. But if you're frozen because it's cold outside, that would be a small f. If you want to freeze something in the freezer, that would be a small f. Freeze.